Hey cute little faces, how are you? All set for a new lesson? Very nice. So today we are going to study about pronoun he. So he is a subject pronoun which is used in place of third person singular male. Subject pronoun. What is it? Don't worry, it's very simple. A subject pronoun is a pronoun which acts as a subject of the sentence about whom we are talking and it performs the action in the sentence. Let's take one example. My friend's name is Jack. He is an intelligent boy. So, in the first sentence, Jack is a noun, and in the second sentence, we have replaced the noun Jack with the pronoun he. So, let's take one more example. He is dancing. So, again in this sentence, we have used the pronoun he because pronoun he is performing the action. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun he clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun he is an intelligent boy. So, why we have used the pronoun he in the sentence?
Because the person is masculine.
Correct. So, whenever we talk about the third person male, we always use the pronoun he. Do you know who the third person is?
I don't know.
Let me clear your confusion. Suppose I am talking with you. So, I become the first person and you become the second person. But when we both will talk about someone else, so that someone becomes third person.
Now I understood.
Very nice. So, Rudy, read the second example.
He is eating food.
Correct. So, why we have used the pronoun he in this sentence?
Because we're talking about the third person.
Right. And the third person is male or female?
Male.
Absolutely correct. So, we always use pronoun he for the third person singular male. So, Rudy, read the third sentence.
He is a good boy.
Correct. Now, identify the pronoun.
Pronoun he.
Why?
Because we're talking about the third person.
Right. Now, tell me third person is male or female?
Male.
And we are talking about one person or many people?
One person.
Now you got it. What is pronoun he? So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun he. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.